Gloves on, chef uniform crisp, let's cook like pros. Today I'm making a smash burger and a quick pan pizza, step by step, then a guest taste test to close it out. First, the burger. 80-20 ground beef, salt, pepper, soft potato buns, American cheese, onion, pickles, ketchup, mayo, butter, a little neutral oil. Optional. Shredded lettuce, optional. Tomato. I preheat a heavy skillet until it's screaming hot. I butter the buns. Toast face down until golden. Off to the side. I mix a quick sauce. 1 spoon mayo, 1 spoon ketchup, pinch of pepper. Done. Now I change gloves before touching raw meat. I portion 2 loose 3-ounce balls of beef. Don't pack them tight. A film of oil hits the pan. Beef balls go on. I smash hard with a spatula and parchment until thin. Season with salt and pepper. I let the edges frill and get crispy, about 60 to 90 seconds. Flip. Crown each with a slice of cheese. Add a splash of water and cover to steam melt for 20 seconds. Build time. Bun. Sauce. A few thin onion slices. Pickles. Then the 2 cheesy patties stacked. Add lettuce. Add tomato. Top bun on. That's the burger. Quick reset. Fresh gloves. Clean board. Pizza time. Ready pizza dough. Canned crushed tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, dried oregano, mozzarella, a little parmesan, basil, salt. I heat a non-stick or cast iron pan over medium-high. Dough gets stretched to pan size with lightly oiled hands. I swipe the pan with oil, lay in the dough, let the bottom set for 1 to 2 minutes. While it bubbles, I stir tomatoes, pinch of salt, a drizzle of oil, a tiny grated garlic clove, a pinch of oregano. I flip the dough in the pan to get a light toast on both sides. Sauce goes on thin. Then, shredded mozzarella, and a dust of parmesan. I slide the pan under a hot broiler or into a 500 degas, 260 degasi oven. 4 to 6 minutes until the cheese blisters. Back out. Basil on. Tiny drizzle of olive oil. Let's plate. Burger cross-section shows that crust and melty cheese. Pizza slice pulls with that stretch. Guest time? I hand over the burger first. Big bite, crunchy edges, soft bun, tangy sauce. Then the pizza. Light crust, bright tomato, herby finish. We nod, we smile, we go back for more. You just learned 2 winners in 1 run. Keep it clean. Change gloves between raw and ready to eat. Watch your temps. Burger at 160 degrees for safety. Drop your twist in the comments. Bacon on the burger, pepperoni on the pizza, I'm in. I'll see you in the next cook. Until then, keep it hot, keep it crispy, and plate with pride.